All right, here we go. FindYourFX.com, ladies and gentlemen. We're back, partnered up with Bulletproof Traders to provide this exclusive crypto market overview. And I want to talk about the Bitcoin today. It's been a while since last time we touched base, and there's not too much change to the location of price section as far as the Bitcoin goes. Last time we've been here, we talked about the Bitcoin hitting that $100,000 mark. And I was suggesting that area, this really nice psychological round number of $100,000 mark, would potentially cripple that positive momentum, potentially sending Bitcoin into a downside reversal. Could be local as a form of technical correction, price action taking a bit of a breath, a bit of a break before coming back up and continuing to a new milestone, right? But also could be a full-fledged downside reversal, something more serious, something more sinister, where the Bitcoin is going to take a big hit before it's coming back to and gearing up for another bull cycle. And you can see what happened over the last couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, right after the touchdown with 100,000. It's almost hit that $100,000 mark. For me, it means the same. It's pretty close enough. And from that point, it seems to be that the Bitcoin is topping out, right? Because we see there's no more positive momentum, kicking in. In fact, it looks like there's a stabilization of price action starting to trade sideways and now even coming off a little bit. And again, this is the weekly chart. I mean, the Bitcoin had been skyrocketing for a while. So it doesn't surprise me at all to have a bit of technical correction. Actually, it's kind of expected. Looking at this from the daily perspective, daily chart perspective, you can see the topping out behavior, right? So we already kind of seen Bitcoin bending over a little bit. Doesn't mean that we're going to have here that full-fledged downside reversal, but the risk of continuation of this upside trajectory is getting bigger by the day, right? That's what it means. And we can see potentially now a lower high for the first time, right? Because the highest high from about 10 days ago, hitting that $100,000 mark, that was the highest high we've had over the last 10 days. And in the last 2-3 days, we potentially see a new high, which is for the first time lower than the previous one. So that's kind of more like a warning flag, if you will, for those of us who still hold bullish positions on the Bitcoin. For me to get back into that hype train, I will want to have price action cracking above that highest high level, which is close to 100K, and start to settle above that area, base itself above that $100,000 mark for at least a week before I'm going to be convinced that there's more of that upside potential coming our way. All right, guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it for us as far as the crypto market goes. Obviously, if the Bitcoin is going to have a serious downside correction or even a full-fledged downside reversal, obviously that's going to have a huge impact on the rest of the market. And I suspect the whole market is going to enter that bear cycle. Could be a quick one, could be a longer one, but at the end of the day, we're gonna have the whole market, behaving and playing in harmony as the positive correlation is very evident, especially within the top 50, top 100, coins. So yeah, that's about that. Be well.